Hello student, this is your mathematics teacher Anubha Tiwari from Srimati LPSAVANI VIDHYABHAVAN. Here we are going to start our next chapter, chapter number 5, lines and angle. So the first definition is line segment. What is line segment? Its length can be measured as starting point and end point both are fixed. You can see that this is the figure of line segment and how we are going to denote symbolically. So line segment PQ is represented as PQ and upside with this mark, right? Now come here for the next definition. It is line. A line has no end point. You can see that the figure. And symbolically line AB is represented as AB and upside with this mark, right? Come here for the next definition. It is ray. A ray has one end point. You can see that in figure. This is the figure of ray, right? And symbolically ray OP is denoted by OP and upside with this mark. Now next definition is angle. What is angle? When two rays originate from a common point, an angle is formed. An angle is measured in degree, right? You can see that in figure two rays originate from one common point B, so so angle is formed. An angle is represented as with this symbol, right? This is the symbol of angle. For example, if you want to write the name of this angle, you will write angle ABC. Now next definition is complementary angle. What are complementary angle? The sum of the measures of two angles is 90 degree, then angles are complementary to each other, right? So you can see that in this figure two angles measurement is 30 degree and 60 degree. When we are going to add it, 30 degree plus 60 degree, we got it 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles to each other. Now the next definition is supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? So the definition is when the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree, then angles are called supplementary angles. Now let me explain you through one example. You can see that in figure this one measurement of first angle is 130 degree and the second one is 50 degree. When we are going to add these two measurements, we got 180 degree. So we can say that these two angles are supplementary angles, right? Now come here for the next definition, adjacent angle. What are adjacent angle? If two angles have a common vertex, a common arm, and have the non-common arms on either side of the common arm, then they are called adjacent angle. So student, in adjacent angle finally we have to see 3 points: common vertex, common arm, and the non-common arm is on the either side of common arm. So now let me explain you through figure. Here in this figure, angle ABD and angle angle DBC have a common vertex B, right? They have a common arm BD, and BA and BC are on either side of common arm. You can see that, right? So which is BD. So angle ABD and angle DBC are adjacent angle. Okay. Now the next definition is linear pair. What are linear pair and what is the definition of linear pair? A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angle whose non-common sides are opposite ray. You can see that in figure non-common sides are opposite ray, right? And the sum of linear pair of angle is 180 degree also. You can see that when we will do the sum of these two angles, we got 180 degree, right? So here angle ABQ and angle ABP focus on that linear pair, right? Come here for that. The next definition, vertically opposite angle. What are vertically opposite angle and what is the definition of vertically opposite angle? When two lines intersect, the two pair, or you can say that four angles, two pairs of angles formed without a common arm are called vertically opposite angle. Children, now let me explain you this definition through figure. Now student, this is the figure of vertically opposite angle. As the definition is, when two lines intersect at a point O, four angles are formed. Four angles, or you can say that two pairs of angles are formed. So this is the figure. Now one more thing, one more point I just want to explain you. The measures of vertically opposite angles are also equal. Measures of, let's suppose I have given you measurement of angle 3 is 120 degree. So on the basis of this, measurement of angle 1 is also 120 degree, right? And angle 2 is equal to angle, measurement of angle 2 is equal to measurement of angle 4. Let's suppose I have given you measurement of angle 2 is 60 degree. So measurement of angle 4 is also 60 degree.